Hey guys, Captain Ben Beecher here, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Beautiful day today here at Lake of the Ozarks, so come by and see us at our highway location in Osage Beach or our marina location in Lake Ozark. Today, we're on a 2023 SeaRay 270 SEX outboard. See, this one over here is powered by a White Mercury 300 horsepower motor. Give this thing plenty of scoot across the lake. Also back here, you have a nice seating area while you're out at anchor, and of course your ski tow bar. Come on in. We have a nice sized cockpit in the 270. Also, one thing I really like about this boat is that these seat backs turn around, and now you have rear facing lounge or facing backwards, whether you're at anchor or on this side if you just want to simply sit here facing that way while the boat's running around. Plenty of storage underneath all of the seats, and then both the captain seat and co-captain seat are bolstered. So if you're like me and you like to drive eye level above windshield line, bolster seat's perfect for that, plus a little extra comfort for you. Up here at the helm, you see we have the new Mercury shifter. This is the new DTS shifter, so everything very smooth. It's going to have the SimRad glass dash on it, so all of your GPS, your engine information is going to be displayed right on that. And a nice Fusion stereo here. Over on the port side, open this up. See, we have a nice head compartment here. Moving forward, one of the best things about the 270 SDX is the big bow area here. See, they flare out the front, so plenty of space to sit in the corner of this boat. It doesn't just be into the front, we have less room, a lot of space, a lot of storage. So once again, Ben Beecher here, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this 2023 SeaRay 270 SDX outboard. Thanks. Have a